Hello viewers, let's connect Windows 11 through projecting screen with Samsung DeX or Samsung DeX. If you do all the configuration as I did, so you will not confront any problem. It's one of the best and easiest way of PC and mobile connectivity and data transfer. Now on screen please. Now let's see how your PC behave during projecting screen by using Samsung DeX. So open your browser for first step. Click it and type in search bar www.samsung.com/us/apps/dex. Type it. This interface appears and scroll it down and select this one for Windows 10 and above. Click on it and now the app has been downloaded. It's Samsung DeX. Click it, I agree, tick mark, and click next, and now install. So after installing this, your PC would have the ability to connect with your mobile through Samsung DeX. So now let's go and click once again settings, and in settings come to systems, and in system, remember this is the first part of connectivity as your computer behave. Click projecting to this PC, click on it, and now three options available anywhere, first time only and never. It's the best response to these options. Click on it and this pop-up appears, so click it and always allow for your ease. Click it and then OK. Now next time we will not repeat this step, so click OK. When you click project into this PC, so this type of green screen appears. Now we will go to our mobile to open the settings. So click settings, and in settings let's type DeX and click the first option Samsung DeX. Click on it. Now once again at the lower end Samsung DeX, click on it. Now make sure this button should be on, so simply click back. Now link to window, it should be on, and if you on it, so your PC will ask for sign in through Microsoft. So click next, continue, and then continue. It's for swift data transfer and ease. Now give your email, it will send a code, and after the receiving of code, feed the code and click OK, sign in. Now your mobile and PC are connected to same Wi-Fi, same email. Click done, and you will see the swift data transfer. Drop down menu of your mobile, click it to drop down once again and click DeX. Now this type of windows appear. Click on it and start now. Now mobile and PC are connected. You can see full screen, half screen, it's up to you. Click gallery. This is the best and my favorite option. So click on some picture in your mobile gallery, drag it to the desktop or any drive of your PC. On the other hand, click in your PC any picture and simply copy paste or drag and drop the same area where your mobile gallery. It's the most easy and swift data transfer. Now it's full screen view. Click this apps, and all the app of mobile are on the screen, so you can use anyone. Let me click YT Studio. I can operate the same from my computer. Let's open WhatsApp, and this is my keyboard of PC from which I am writing. All the control goes to the PC. Emojis, GIF file, and anything XYZ you can send from your PC. Click this sign to change the language of your keyboard in case if required. Otherwise, let's go and close it. And this is for screenshot. Click it and it will give you your screenshot. And next is volume. You can control your volume of mobile from your PC, as well as click on Wi-Fi so you can see the drop down menu of your mobile. At the same time, let's go once again and click this apps, logs, DX, exit DX. All options are available. Click search for searching anything on your mobile from your PC. Let me click WhatsApp. So if you click it, all the operations can be done from here. Click this sign, this is called recent sign. All the pages you open on your mobile would be shown. You can delete. You can also see the Facebook of your mobile on the screen of your PC. So if you click it, it would be displayed like this. Everything of your mobile is controlled from your PC. Now click exit or cross exit Samsung DeX. Click OK. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.